Alright guys, Georgia Jim, got an MNC Matrix here. It's 6 top pins and I believe 4 sliders. You can see the bitting there. Alright, I haven't picked it yet. Hopefully we'll get it here and we'll get it good and see what's in it. That was 6. Nothing. That 1, yeah, 1 is binding. 2. 3, 4. Touched 5, it might have got it. 6 feels like it's still binding. I think I got 6. 5. 1 again. We got a good false set. Let's check our sliders. 1 is loose. 2, 3. They may not be ready yet. Let's see. And the false set got a little deeper. And a little deeper there. Let's check. Now everything might be ready. So we'll go back through one more time, check for counter rotation on anything. Act like I know what I'm doing. Alright, I think we're good. Alright, let's see. 1 is loose. 2, 3. If I can get that pick all the way to the back. There we go. Let's see. Might just be easier to do it like this. Break a multi, pick 10. Is that going to fit? There we go. Oh. All right. So that's the MNC Matrix 3-star. This is the one with the sidebar, obviously. All right. See if we can go without a camera mishap or a gutting disaster or something of that nature. phase shim. Alright, the little key control element fell out. Let's drop these sidebar springs right quick. There's one. And the other. And like I said, this is key control. If you turn the core a little farther up, you have to reach in there and poke it. I should have probably done that, but it's kind of like what you see on the GGP Extra. Get them on out. I'm dropping every one of them except what I'm trying to get out. There we go. And these sliders are springless. Let's see. 1, 2. This lock is dirty. 3. Come on out of there. 4 and 5. So not much else going on there. Let's pull this top stack. And we got a barrel, which these should all be barrels for the top stack. And I dropped a spring somewhere. We'll get that later. That might be drill protection or something. I don't think I dropped anything. No, yeah, that was some kind of drill protection there. And I've proven I can't count because I looked at the key. I thought I saw 6 cuts, but apparently it's only 5. Yeah, and 5 in the plug too. So, yay for math. There's a sidebar groove there. Like I said, nothing. I don't know if this was for. There's 6 cuts in here, so I'm sure this was probably something that goes in there, maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out later. Sidebar is just a big hunk of steel. No cuts or anything unique to it, nothing of note. No false gates on any of these sliders. And you can see they have a pretty huge, if I can get that too. I guess there is a false gate on that one. Make a liar out of me. So there's one that has a false gate. Two of them have false gates. It's just hard to see. No, all of them have false gates. I just barely see them, and they are, I did not feel them at all. So they were basically completely ineffective. But otherwise, I'm just going to quit being wrong about this lock and cut the video. So I'll give you all a close up of the pins. So 5 barrels, 5 sliders, some springs, sidebar, key control, and I'm assuming this is drill protection. So that'll be it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.